Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BONK 2.0 token. Now today I'm going to be talking about a lot of 2.0 tokens. If you're new to this channel, hit subscribe. Today is 2.0 day. There's so many 2.0 tokens out today, but for this video, we're going to be talking about BONK 2.0. Obviously, there's been many BONK tokens come out in the past. This is a famous meme. This token is just wrapping up their pre-sale right now on pinksale.finance. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it even after the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. BONK 2.0. It says, did you miss Bonk, Doge, and Pepe? Don't worry, because BONK 2.0 is your best choice. Being the next trend of the Binance Smart Chain, Dev has experience in supporting many 100 times all-time high projects. Top holder Bonk accompanies BONK 2.0. This project will definitely take you to the moon. CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko Fast Track, 3 and 3 tax, AVE trending paid. BONK 2.0 will explode to create the next meme king empire. So that's what it says on PancakeSwap there. There's about, by the time I upload this video, probably around 20 hours or so left of this pre-sale. Now, it's already a successful pre-sale. They haven't sold a ton of tokens because they set the soft cap small, but it already is a successful pre-sale. Now, this is a public pre-sale. So far, they've had 32 different contributors invest in this pre-sale. They just set their soft cap at 1 BNB, and so far, they've sold 8.89 BNB worth of tokens. So it's already a success. They will eventually, go over to CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko after the pre-sale is over. But for the next 20 hours or so, it'll be live on PancakeSwap. You can go check it out there. But shortly after the pre-sale is over, if you're looking to get this token, it'll be going over to PancakeSwap. So you'll be able to get it by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the BONK 2.0 token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, BONK2.0.xyz. You'll probably have to set slippage somewhere around 3% for buys and 3% for sells because of those taxes there. And it says liquidity will be locked on PancakeSwap for 66 days. Now, that's not a long time. That's just a little bit over 2 months, obviously. So hopefully they do extend that liquidity lock. Now, if you want to stay up to date with their what's going on with the project, if they are doing updates like extending liquidity locks, PancakeSwap listing, all these things, I would follow their socials. So they have a Twitter at BONK2_0_BSC, and they have a Telegram at BONK2_0_BSC. So both the same URL there. Now, they do have a full audit. You can check out their audit on PancakeSwap. They were audited by Spywolf Network, and you can view the PDF of that if you like. So far, initial market cap estimate is only $3,161. Like I said, they've only sold almost 9 BNB worth of tokens. And their token metrics allocation pie chart says 32.24% of the tokens go to liquidity. 66.55% of the tokens go to pre-sale. 1.19% of the tokens are unlocked. Now, there is a free and quick light audit by Solid Proof in the discussion section on PancakeSwap, and there's no bad warnings on it whatsoever. It's just all good check marks. I mean, so the only thing that I would hope that they do for this project is extend that liquidity lock. Now it says no mint function found. Owner cannot mint new tokens after initial deployment. Owner cannot set the fees over 25%. Owner cannot set max transaction amount. Owner cannot pause trading. Owner cannot disable the trading once enabled. And owner cannot blacklist wallets, and authorized addresses can't transfer tokens without enabling trading. So those are all good check marks on there by Solid Proof. If you go to their webpage, BONK2.0, they do have a full white paper, a button to join the pre-sale, socials, roadmap, tokenomics. They have their own swap, the BONK swap, features, and introduction. So BONK2.0, the extraordinary sequel that takes the world by storm. This special edition is packed with mind-blowing features that will leave you begging for more. Brace yourself for a wild ride as we unveil the first ever Solana Dogecoin for all crypto enthusiasts. So maybe they're coming out with a Solana one as well, or that's a typo, I don't know. It said say goodbye to the deceitful Alameda token system because Bonk contributors have had enough. They decided to break free from the shackles of seriousness and create a meme coin like no other. With Bonk 2.0, fairness reigns supreme, ensuring that everyone gets an equal shot to the moon. Then it has the contract address. So it says they're going to have a DAO, a decentralized autonomous organization. Welcome to the future of decision making. With Bonk 2.0, we're taking things to a whole new level by embracing the power of DAO. Get ready to unleash your inner influencer because your Bonk 2.0 tokens come with VIP passes to our exclusive DAO. Say goodbye to being a mere spectator and hello to being part of active participation. Your voice matters. With our DAO, you will have the authority to shape the destiny of our project. Take charge by casting your vote on crucial matters that impact Bonk's 2.0 community. It's time to become a true champion and change and make your mark on the crypto world. So grab those tokens, embrace your power, and let the democratic adventure begin. And then they have their swap on their own page there. And then their token allocation, we already went over that. Skip down to the roadmap here. So coming out with releasing the website, white paper, audit, pink sale, DEX view, KOLs, grow the community, initiate pre-sale, PancakeSwap after that, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, NFT collection will come out after that. And then we're going to have the DAO. And then exploring centralized exchanges. They have their partners listed at the bottom of the page, and that is about it. Check it out, BONKV2.xyz. Check out their socials, and check them out on Pink Sale for about another 20 hours, and then they'll be moving over to PancakeSwap shortly after that. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.